Oh, anyways, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing well. Got a cup of tea. It's a lovely Saturday morning. Well, I say morning, it's like 12 o'clock, and I'm going to be doing a little get ready with me. So me and Zena are going to go to town, and I don't know, there's not really anything we can do, to be honest, but yeah, I thought might as well film the get ready with me. So yeah, I picked up a few like new makeup products as well, so I thought I might as well test them out. So first thing I'm going to use is my favourite. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood. Why is my camera like not working? There we go. It's the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood, what's it called? Flawless Filter Illuminator or something. I'm going to start with this. What colour is this? 4 medium. And I love this. When I just want a really natural makeup look, I just use this all over my face because it gives you a bit of, you know, something, and it's so nice and glowy as well. So I'm just putting this on my cheekbones, on my forehead and on my chin. Okay, next step, I'm still doing primers. It's this e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I've only used this a couple of times actually, and I'm not sure if it actually does anything, but like this is like the consistency, it's kind of like moussey, but I don't actually know if it does anything, so I don't know. I'm just gonna use it anyway because it's meant to like smooth your face out and give you like smooth skin, so it's meant to basically like fill your pores out, but I don't actually know if it's doing anything, but I'm just going to keep using it anyway. Okay, next thing, I actually did buy a new foundation. It's this Maybelline one. It's the Super Stay Activewear 30-hour foundation. Okay, 30 hours. I don't know who in their right mind is wearing foundation for 30 hours, because that is crazy. I got this in the shade 40 Fawn. I don't know if this is the right colour. The lights in Superdrug are quite deceiving, and I have put tan on, so I don't really think about that. But the shade up from this looked really like dark, but I don't know. I mean, I can darken it up with a bit of cream contour and bronzer, so hopefully that looks alright. And I'm just using this Real Techniques, another stippling brush. I'm actually really liking stippling brushes at the moment. I feel like it makes it less full coverage, because this is like a really full coverage foundation. It must be full coverage if it's like 30 hours. And I'm not a big fan of full coverage foundations. I just don't like the feel of it. But this one actually doesn't feel too heavy, which is good. Okay, I'm back. I'm just gonna use this sponge and just really, you know, beat my face. Okay, I'm gonna use this sleek cream contour thing. It looks so disgusting, but it works, so I'm gonna keep using it. I'm just gonna use this Real Techniques contour brush as well, and just put that on my cheeks. I don't know if they still sell this because I bought this like years ago, so it's probably really mouldy and out of date, and I probably shouldn't be using this on my face. I feel like I got this when I was in like year 10, so how old was I in year 10? 14, 15, so it's been about a good 4 or 5 years, so that's actually disgusting. Okay, I'm going to go in this smaller, fluffier brush and use the same colour. I don't really know how to contour my nose, but I'm just gonna like pretend that I do. So does that look okay? I don't know, genuinely don't know. Does that look normal? And I did actually get a new concealer. This is the Revolution Conceal and Define 16-hour wear concealer. So just from the name of it, I feel like it's quite it says long wear concealer crease proof. we'll see about that, because my concealer creases so much. Like, no matter what concealer I use, it always creases. So I'm just gonna go light-handedly with this, because I feel like just from the description it sounds like quite a full coverage concealer, so I'm gonna use it sparingly, and I'm just gonna use the sponge to blend it out again. I got the shade, what is it, C5.5, and there was actually loads and loads and loads when I went, so yeah. Right, just blending. It's actually quite a good colour. Like, I always go a few shades lighter than my skin tone, just so it brightens the under eyes. Or is that a bit too bright? Okay, next thing, I did pick up a powder as well. This is the Revolution banana powder. If it's gonna focus. I've actually got the Revolution like translucent powder, and I quite enjoy that. Oh my god, I've just put so much. I'm just going to use this Morphe brush and just sweep it under my eyes. It looks quite dark, so I don't know if this is going to look weird or if that's going to look okay. I don't know. I feel like it made the concealer darker, but I don't know if there was, I'm pretty sure there was only one banana colour, you know. Okay, moving on to bronzer now. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette. You can't even see it. Like, I swear, all my makeup is just battered. I'm going to be using these two colours and put it over the places where we put that cream contour. Okay, now bronzer is all done. I'm going to go back in with the banana powder and use that same Morphe brush and just go underneath and just clean it up slightly, just to give a little bit more definition, but very subtly. Okay, next I'm going to be using my new favourite product. It's the Milani Luminoso Baked Powder Blush. That was in focus. There. Let me open it so you can see better. How nice is that colour? It's so pretty. And I'm just using a blusher brush and just putting it on my cheeks. I like to put it like up here, I don't know why, but that's what I do. Okay, so I don't actually do like highlighter or anything, because I like it when it's just a bit, you know, a subtle highlight from the blush. And I'm going to use this NYX Dewy Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray and just spray this all over my face. Right, so that's the base done. I'm going to do my eyeshadow now, which isn't that difficult. I'm literally going to use the bronzer from that palette. I'm just going to use this colour and this Morphe M502 blending brush. I'm not actually going to put concealer on my eyelids either, just because I've got like eczema here right on my eyelid and it's really dry, so I don't want to put concealer on them, you know, like powder it, and then, you know, we're just going to go for a wash of colour, and hopefully it won't just disappear. So I'm literally just putting it all over my eyelids and blending it out towards the tail of my eyebrow. And now, I don't know what... Oh no, I'm going to do my eyebrows first. Right, I'm just going to use this eyebrow pencil. It's from NYX. It's the micro brow pencil in the shade Espresso. I'm just going to brush them and fill them in very, very, very slightly. Just like underneath and on the tail as well. Okay, also for my brows, I picked this up recently. It's the It's the Refi Beauty. Why is my camera just not focusing on anything? Yeah, it's the Refi Beauty. I can't remember what it's called, like brow setter or something, I don't know. But basically it has one end which is the jelly like brow side. I've seen a lot of Instagram people using this, so I was like, I'm gonna jump on the bandwagon because Jess Hunt's eyebrows are unreal, and if my eyebrows look like hers, if I buy this, then I'm buying it. And then the other side has like a spoolie end, so I'm just using that. So this is what she does. Bye! Sorry, that was my dad. She just uses like the spoolie end to brush it out. Sorry, my what's it called? Memory ran out. I just brushed through the brows and then I use the other side just to brush through them again, because this is what she did on her Instagram stories, so I'm gonna follow exactly what she did. Okay, brows are done. Now I'm gonna move on to mascara. I've got a new mascara, but I don't know if I like it that much. It's the Maybelline Sky High mascara. You've probably seen it on TikTok because everyone's like, oh my god, it's so good. But I don't know if it's like, I don't know. I just don't know if I like it that much, because I use my other Maybelline one, the Maybelline Lash Sensational, and it's just amazing. So I don't know about this one. Right, I'll just put it on and see what happens. I'm just gonna use this on my eyelashes, obviously. I don't know, I feel like I like mascaras when they're a little bit like dried out, if anyone knows what I mean. But yeah, I feel like when they're dried out it's just easier to use, and it just holds like the eyelashes better. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my original one, the Maybelline Lash Sensational. I'm just gonna go over it and hope for the best and hope that it looks okay. Okay, mascara is done. I did forget, I actually picked up these highlighting drop things from L'Oreal, so I'm gonna use these because why not? Oh, this looks cool. I don't want it to drop everywhere. I'm just gonna put 3 dots on here. It's literally gonna drop. And 3 dots on here. A bit on my nose. A bit on the Cupid's bow. Actually smells really nice. I'm gonna just use this random brush to blend it in. Okay, last step is lips. I got some new lip products as well. So I picked up a lip liner. This is the NYX lip pencil in Natural, and I picked up this which is new from Maybelline as well. It's the Lifter Gloss, and I heard that this is a good dupe for the Fenty Beauty one, but I got this in the shade Amber, and it looks very like, it looks a little like, I don't know. We'll try it on and see what happens. This is a really nice lip liner. I think it was only like £3. Okay, I've done that so bad. I'm just gonna fill the sides in and leave the middle just there. That is the lip liner done, and I'm gonna use the lip gloss now. Smells nice. Is that a nice colour? Okay, well that is the makeup done. I'm gonna do my hair and then put my outfit on, and I'll be back. Take time.
No, it just smells weird.
Thanks.
Like gums, I mean.
What, my room?
Yeah, the flavouring.
Maybe it's the hair thing.
I don't know. Okay, sorry.
Anyways, well, I'm back. I've done my hair. I've done it in these cute little, I don't know what they are, but I think it looks quite cute. Do you like it, Zena? But yeah, hair's done, outfit is on, well, half of the outfit because I haven't got any trousers on, but I thought I'd film the outro before. So thank you everyone for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and thank you to everyone who has subscribed already. You'll put me off.
What?
Don't stand on my hairbrush.
That's mine!
Anyways, thanks everyone, see you later. Bye!